Good morning, student. This is your science class, and in your previous live class, you have studied this chapter, nervous system. So, what is nervous system? It is a system which controls almost every system of our body. Human body is amazing. It has many different parts. We are having many systems in our body. The human nervous system controls the center of the body, monitoring conditions within the outside body and sending an electrical signals to respond them. Like nervous system control almost every system of our body. Nervous system is highway along which your brain sends and receives information, and it works under the brain. So this way, made up of millions of billions of nerve cells or neurons which join together and make nerve. Nervous system consists of specialized networks as nervous, which is called
neurons that transmits electrochemical signals through the body. There are 100 billion neurons in the brain. So a nerve fiber which sends the impulse through the body. Like our information is given to brain, and brain give the message to work accordingly. These fibers are covered by a fatty substance called myelin. So the nervous fiber is covered with the fatty substance called myelin. Myelin helps in transforming the message fast through the neurons. Myelin only help in transforming the message through the neurons. Nervous cell is a mix and chemical and electrical action. So nervous cells do both the chemical and electrical action, and brain is the central part of the body, which is called brain is the central part of the body which take control in almost every system of our body. The brain controls center of our body, and its site in the skull. Its sites where it sites, it is seen in the skull of the body on the top of the spinal cord. Brain has three main parts. These are cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So cerebellum and cerebrum. Cerebrum, which has two parts, left part central cerebral hemisphere and right cerebral hemisphere. So the brain medulla oblongata that controls the automatic action. Medulla oblongata part carries the automatic action of our body, like breathing, heartbeat, which is not in our control. It controls the function which is not in our control, like heartbeat, our breathing. We breathe, breathing is not in our control. Our heartbeat is not in our control. So that thing is controlled by medulla oblongata. Our brain is wrapped in 3 layers tissue. It is shock-proof fluid. It forms getting bump inside the skull as body moves around. So we have our brain is very special part of the body. So it is being cared very properly. It is having a special shock-proof fluid, and it is covered in 3 layers. What does the brain do? Brain is more powerful, the most powerful and complex system of our body. So our brain is clever than computer also, because brain only has big computer. It is human brain only who had developed the computer. So it consistently dealing with hundreds of messages around the world, and our body is telling us about our body what to do. Like if you want to see, so you will open your eyes and see in the direction where you want to see. So that direction is decided by, means that action is decided by brain. It get message from our sense organs. Like we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, skin, ears and tongue. So we get senses from there, from seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, touching, moving. We get message, and the message travel from nerve cell to all over the body and travel the nerve fiber to nerve cell in the brain. Cranial nerves. What are the cranial nerves? Cranial nerves carry the message from the ears, nose, throat, tongue, face, on our face, scalp. The spinal cord carries the message from the arms and trunk of the body. So we have cranial nerves and spinal cord. Sensory nerve. What sensory nerve do? Sensory nerve collect the information from all over the body and send it back to the brain along with network motor nerves. What motor nerves do? Motor nerves do brain's order. It brings the brain order back along with the network, like cars traveling along other side of the highway. See, means the sensory nerve collect all the information of our body, like we are feeling well or we are not feeling well, or what should we do, we have to walk, or we are feeling hot. All this type of information sensory nerve carries to brain, and then brain give message to motor nerve that if you are feeling hot, so open your fan, or if you are feeling cold, wear some woolen clothes. So all these information, all these messages are sent back through a network called as motor nerve. Our brain collects all the information, sorts of think, remembrance, create, complex, solve problem solving, coordinating actions at the same time, even when we sleep. So why all the actions are carried even when we sleep? Because if it will stop, we will die. Like something, coordination of our heart, like heart beat rhythmically. When we sleep, then also it beats. And we used to continuously, we used to think, we used to breathe. When we sleep also, then also we used to breathe. So all these things are in control of brain. And sometimes when we get too tired and we don't have enough food, our brain can't do this as well. Means sometimes we feel, sometimes if you will not take food, and sometimes you feel so uneasy and so unusual. So that time your brain will also not work properly, and means it will also seem to be unusual. Means if you will feel that you are collapsing, you will feel that you are so tired and your brain is not working, you are not able to learn, you are not able to remember the things. So that is why you have to take enough food. Control centers of the brain. This thing we will study in our next topic, next class. I'll explain you first of all this in your live class, and then we'll study this. Interesting fact about human brain. So your homework is you have to read this chapter very nicely. This is very important chapter. Read it very nicely and complete your book exercises. I will also tell, but try to do it by your own. Thank you, students.